Another important thing to know is that we can edit prompts after we've already written them and generated output. So let's write a prompt here. I will keep it super simple. We're not going to worry about doing anything useful yet. Let's have ChatGPT write us a tweet. So let's do a write me a tweet to market my new course on, I don't know, I'm just making this up here, on Python programming for beginners. There's a lot more that really should go into this prompt. We'll discuss that soon as far as context and requirements and giving ChatGPT more information up front, but this will work and it will generate me some sort of tweet. Now, what I could do if I'm not happy with this response is just keep regenerating it. Or maybe I want to make a tweak to the prompt itself because I'm an idiot and actually my course that I just released is not on Python, but it's on JavaScript. Well, I could just write down here, write me a tweet to market my new JavaScript course, or I can click this edit button next to every one of my prompts and edit the prompt in place. So I'll say JavaScript programming, and then I can save and submit and it automatically reruns. And now I should get a JavaScript. There we go. Unlock the secrets of JavaScript programming with my brand new course for beginners. That's a simple example. It would be probably just as easy to retype such a short prompt, but just know that you can edit your prompts in place. And as far as I know, there is no way to delete a prompt. If you wanted to sort of clear your output, if you have something embarrassing in here, you can't delete it, although you can delete the entire chat, the whole session. You can't delete specific prompts.